Welcome back to Make an Adventure, guys.
Who are you?
So I'm Kimi, and my audio receiver died on the camera. So here I am explaining all the stuff we're about to do. Pretty much the fuel tank is too high and there's a giant kink in the hose and it makes it really hard to fill up the tank. So we're going to drop it down by about 2 inches and hopefully that solves the problem. Alright, so we ran out of time last night, but tonight we are getting this done. Tonight we are going to mount this bin I'm passing by right now, our electrical bay bin, and get those LEDs turned on for you guys. So let me set this down on a tripod so I can get to work.
Alright, so we've got the bin mounted. It is very, very cold. Kimi's drill seems to have frozen and he can't get it to latch onto his hole saw. But he's about to drill a hole in the back wall so that we can fish some wires through and plug the truck in.
So I fought with those Polaris taps for a while, and I decided to just switch back to regular old wire nuts. So, got some nice big blue ones, and that's what we're going to put in here instead. So now I'm just going to roll up the power cord in this bin, and I got to drill a hole through the floor and run it to the garage. We can plug this truck back in. So my foam that I put under the bottom just fell out. The glue didn't stick very good. So we'll have to wait till springtime and then glue that up when it's warm. Perfect, just like I wanted it to. Alright, so these LED lights that we installed underneath the truck those are 24 volt, and our whole system is ran on 12 volt. So I've got this. So I've got this box here that is a 12 volt to 24 volt converter. So I just put, let's see, which side is it? The red side. Put the red side in 12 volts, and this side outputs 24. So I'm just going to wire that up real quick and get that on the wall. So it is very cold in here, and the adhesive for the tape is not going to stick well. The way you stick these controllers, these are the LED control boxes. The way you stick them to the wall is literally you just stick them to the wall. There's no screw hole or anything. So I'm gonna wait. I'm not gonna stick that on yet until after it gets warm in here. While we're working on the bin, we ran out of heat, or we ran out of fuel for the heater. I didn't want to move it without having a way to secure that wire. The big power cord you saw us plug in earlier.
Yeah, it was just kind of dangling. And man, that would have been expensive if we lost it on the road.
Yeah, so.
How much was that wire? I forget.
It was a couple $100.
Yeah, that was we don't want to buy it again, that's for sure.
LEDs are really sensitive to loss of voltage. So if we make one wire, so we're on the left side of the truck right now, the driver's side. If we make the wire directly to this one, it's going to be super short, and then over to the passenger side, it's going to be really long. The LEDs will be different colors on different sides of the truck.
Different brightnesses too.
Yeah, and different brightnesses. So we'll make the one on the driver's side really long compared to how far it has to go, and on the passenger side it'll be the right size. I just have to figure out how I'm going to stretch this out and stay warm, because it's somewhat warm in this truck. It is not warm laying in the snow.
The wireless to this panel remote here, and we're going to put this on the wall somewhere. We haven't figured out where. But hopefully we'll be able to control our outside lights with this real slick controller here. Wiring up the LED strips in the back of the bins. It is so cold that he's having a very hard time to get the wire to do what he wants to. It's real brittle, and the connections are hard.
Okay. I'm done.
You done?
Yep.
Sweet. Hi. Oh, I bet.
Okay.
So I'll do them both at the same time then, see if it works. Alright. So short press the set button once, and then the on button 5 times.
Well. Did it do anything?
Mm-mm.
I can't tell.
Do you want to go out there and check?
Press it? No. We're going to turn the camera off because it's right about to die, and we'll
Okay.
come back when we figure out how to pair these controllers.
Alright, so we did get it paired. The second way to pair it was to turn it off and turn it back on within 10 seconds, and then repair it within that 10 seconds. And that worked. But it is way too cold. We're frozen. The connectors did not make a very good connection because it is so cold, and so it didn't actually, work. So we're going to come back another day when it's warmer because we're frozen. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you tune in next time when we actually try it. Well, I hope you tune in next time when we try this again. Have a great day.